Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 1. I'm so excited. I'm at work today. I start at, well, I'm about to leave now at 7, so I will start at 7:30 and finish at 6. This is my beautiful girl. She doesn't want me to leave, do you, darling? Oh my god, my room's so messy, sorry guys. Alright, anyway, let's go to work. Okay, so I just got to work and my mom's here. So yeah, I'm gonna go start my shift and I guess I'll talk to you guys at lunchtime or when I finish or whatever. So yeah, see you soon. Okay, so it's lunchtime now. I am going with my mum to her doctor's appointment and we also have to pick up some of the Christmas gifts for work. Every year we get like little gifts for our Christmas dinner for all the staff. And this year we're going local, which is really cool. So everything that we are doing for gifts this year we are doing locally, which I think is awesome. So yeah, that's where Mum and I are going now. And I'm probably going to get What's that? Did you put that there? It was on the seat. What? Oh, sorry. I'm probably going to get some lunch as well. I really want Libby. This is my mum. We just picked up her car. She got a, what's it called, a toy bar. I have a really bad headache, but yeah, anyway, that's what we're gonna do now. We got a chicken pesto pasta from Libby on a water. And we're just gonna share. No. Okay, I'm finished work now. I think I'm gonna go get some McDonald's for tea, and then I need to get some petrol as well, so I'm gonna head home now. It's 6 o'clock, but yeah, I'll go get my McDonald's. I'll talk to you guys. I just got home. My dad's very excited because he got his PlayStation 5 today. He wasn't expecting it until
I wonder how long that's actually going to take then.
The new year actually, so he's very excited. Alright, so I'm just uploading my video for tonight.
Did you come down by the way?
I had a pretty average day. I don't know why, you guys know what you just have those days where you just feel a bit crappy. I just have one of those and I'm not really sure why, but anyway, yeah, I was having a pretty bad day and then I got a parcel at work and it made my day. This is from Pixie. I recently got added to their PR list and they sent me this today, which I'm so excited about. It said, in nature, there is an ingredient that brightens and adds a touch of colour, leaving skin feeling refreshed and ready to glow. Vitamin C is this powerful multitasker. It gives skin benefits, plus a natural no makeup look, making vitamin C the perfect treat for a day off, which is so cute. It says, complexion doesn't need to be complex. Meet our Plus C Vit collection. Colour enhances the treat with skin loving ingredients. I'm so excited. This is so cute. I love it. So first thing we have here is a priming oil. It says last step of skincare and first step of makeup. We have the under eye brightener and it's called Peach Flash Under Eye Darkness Illuminator. I'm really excited to try that because I feel like my under eyes are quite bad. Then we have the lip brightener, Peach Pout, core packed with antioxidants Vit C, and then we have the brightening perfector. It says tone correct vitamin boost for complexion perfection. I'm so excited. I'll do like a proper, I'll show you guys it properly like when I do like a makeup haul. But how cute is this little PR box? It's so sweet. Like, look at it. It's so cute. I love it. So yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, thank you so much to Pixie for sending that over. I love it. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna help my dad now and yeah. Alright, go. Imagine if he dropped it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's what I'm worried about.
That's what happened to the guy with the iPhone.
With the iPhone?
Yeah, he was like the first one to get the iPhone and he dropped it. Do you remember that? Is it heavy?
Yeah, it is very heavy.
It's not yours.
I've already carried it for 9 months.
Wow.
It looks like a book.
How do you zoom in on this one?
Turn it around a bit.
I don't know how to use this camera. That's not what you need. What are you seeing?
Looks cool
Like a book.
and gorgeous.
I love this name. I love this name.
Alright, so I just finished announcing the rest of the giveaway winners, and then I've just finished editing this video, and I'm going to like uploading that now, or exporting it and then uploading it. I think while I'm waiting for that I'll go have a shower. So yeah, I might show you guys what I use in the shower and stuff, and then yeah, I'll probably end this vlog when I get back, just because I need to edit it before tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go have a shower now. Alright, I'm gonna take the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel, and also the whipped confetti body scrub. So that's gonna be my shower for tonight. I'm gonna go have a shower, and then yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so that I'm gonna end my vlog here now, because now I can't remember what I was gonna say. Oh, because I need to like export this footage onto my laptop and then edit it so it's ready for you guys. But yeah, all I'm gonna do now is literally like jump in bed, edit, and go to sleep. I'm so tired after today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.